I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Chrysler 300. First, locate the cruise control buttons on your steering wheel. Press the on/OFF button to activate the system. Accelerate to your desired cruising speed, then push and release either the SCT Plus or SCT button to set the speed. You'll see an indicator light on your dashboard confirming it's engaged. This simple process gets you started smoothly. Once cruise control is active, adjusting your speed is straightforward. To increase your speed, press the RES Plus button. If you need to slow down, press the SCT button. Each tap will adjust your speed by 1 mile per hour. For larger adjustments, simply hold the button down until you reach your new desired speed. It's very intuitive and keeps your hands on the wheel. There are 2 easy ways to temporarily disengage cruise control without turning the entire system off. You can lightly tap the brake pedal, or simply press the cancel button on your steering wheel. The system will pause, but it remembers your last set speed. This allows you to quickly resume without having to reset everything. It's perfect for brief interruptions in traffic. To resume your previously set speed after a temporary disengagement, just press the RES Plus button. Your Chrysler 300 will accelerate back to that speed. When you're finished using cruise control, press the on/OFF button again to completely turn the system off. This clears any stored speed. Always stay alert and ready to take full control of your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.